Haiti is wasting away. Hello, my name is Luis with Clean Haiti. As you know, Clean Haiti is established to make Haiti clean again. And Clean Haiti is the biggest project ever in Haiti's history to create job opportunities for every citizen in Haiti to earn cash per pound for any trash while helping clean the country. We cannot breathe in Haiti because of all the waste issues. Haiti needs our help. We cannot continue to stand by and wait on Haiti's political stability while its instability has hindered the economic and social development of the country. Help us revitalize the country and its people. We would like to ask all companies around the world, including companies in Haiti, to support this project and the Haitian workers employed by you in telling them that you too want to see Haiti clean again. Would you help us further our efforts with a donation of $500 or more? With this donation, you will enable Clean Haiti to purchase the recycle machine, to buy lands in all departments of all types of equipment we will need to operate. Join hands together with Clean Haiti to help us with this impactful and life-changing project. You can either donate online by visiting our website at www.icleanhaiti.org/donate or mail your donations to Clean Haiti, located at 401 West Lantana Road, Suite number 10, Lantana, Florida, 33462. Please give us a call at 561-560-8464 or email us at donate@icleanhaiti.org if you would like additional information about our organization or its mission.